Hey guys, so we are doing something crazy. We are starting a fire. Well, they already started a fire, and it looks so awesome. Like, the car is excited. It's all back there. So, let's get my boots on. Oh, I think these are a little small. Oh yeah, these definitely got tighter. I'll have to get some new ones. Anyways, so I'm gonna come show you guys. Got smoke, a hose in case. Like what?
A toe.
Oh my goodness. This was so tall when I came out here. Tote over there is melting. Or dangerous to have a GoPro up.
Spray it, Frankie, or no? Is it too hot for you? Okay, then just back off. If you can't do it, then don't do it.
I'll go spray it. Here.
Okay.
Not with the GoPro. Yeah.
Trying to spray the fence, not the toe.
Oh, the fence.
Trying to get further down the fence line.
I think if we go around it.
No, let me see it. Okay, let me see that. Oh, it is.
Yeah.
That's why I said you had to spray from over here. Yeah, but hey, don't get the little wet, Kate. That's
Sorry.
starting to burn up.
Sorry.
Okay, get out of there, Kate. You can't do it. Put the hose back over here for now.
Alright. We are coming back out with the GoPro because I left. Now it's getting bigger. Grandpa.
So our burn bar got significantly smaller.
Yeah.
No idea how that happened. I was telling Mom we should keep this and make a photo thing out of it. She's like, no, the tooth is going out. But it's just pretty rustic wood. Can I throw it in?
Well, whatever one in there sure is cutting off a little bit. You go to the top of it. Yeah.
What is it?
Keep spraying it a little bit. I don't know. There's a lot of it, though. There you go. Should be good now, Frank.
So we're kind of spraying it down because a lot of sparks are coming. So we'll be guys in closer. Yeah, let's do it. Do you want to?
Yeah.
I was gonna
No, get on that side.
Yeah, I was gonna say get on that side.
You two get on the, yeah, get it. Here, show my face on three.
Throw it in, bro.
Get on. This thing is gonna burn good.
There you go. Put it on fire a little bit more.
I know, picking up stuff.
Hey, grab this and increase sticking out. Throw it up on this. Keep it broken off right now.
camera's not hot. So we're gonna put some branches in. Some branches. I'm just trying to set you up in a bunch of different angles so you can see everything. So
I burned this old candle. That's what
alright, get some of this. Fun fact, I actually hate pine needles because of these. They're nice.
On the river, 1.2 acres. What we want to do is just buy a piece of land and put a dry cabin on it.
You hear the guys go and talk about Alaska, and we looked at our first property today, but the bad thing is there's some CC&Rs that won't let you put, well, those on there, which are shops. So there's sheds, there's shops. So we're not sure what we want to do yet. Guess we'll go check on Mom real quick and see what's going on with her. She's out front. That is our grandpa right there. On our mom's side, they live down the street from us, so they're just coming back from dinner, so we came and stopped by. So grandma's inside over there. So I'm going to show you guys the audition, because I never got to show you guys the rest. So we have all these wood things and stuff. We put all that wood that was out here in our fire pit way over there. So all that white stuff you see, that is all wood that was being thrown away. So we got all of this. This is a door frame right here. It's pretty big. Let you guys see almost on the other side. So yeah, pretty big. So in here, this is where another door will be. So another door will be here. So when you walk in, there'll be a door here and a door here. That is a window. I'm not sure if the tub is gonna go like this in the toilet and then like the tub here or the toilet there. I'm not sure how the layout works, but this will be a room right here. The door will be right around here someplace. And then, like I said, window, I'm not sure if the tub will be there and then the bathroom or what. So they moved our gas meter. Here it is. I have to be careful because so dangerous. Here's our gate. You guys, I don't think I've ever seen the front yard, and I can't check out. So that's great. And I want to see my mom, so maybe she's inside. But here's our front yard. Garden, garden, garden. Tree. Oh, tree. Tree, 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 tree. Garden, 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 garden. Gardens. And then we have this tall grass. Right now we have this little walkway patch thing. Goes all the way through to the back door, which motion detected lights. Yep, Mom's inside. So I guess we will go inside. I don't think y'all have ever seen cars either. That's Emma's car up there. That's Anna's car.